Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to give a quick clarity, friends, which display is better, Poco X2 or the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the 9 Pro Max. So in this video, I'll be comparing in detail display comparison, friends. So we'll get a clear idea. And before starting the video, friends, if you are first time watching this channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can message me to the WhatsApp number, friends. You just need to send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel, as you can see, friends, and hit the like button as well for the video. And you need to send me the screenshot, and you can ask the query what you want me to do, and definitely I'll be writing down all the WhatsApp requested videos, friends. As you can see, the list is going on increasing every day, day by day. So definitely I'll be writing the list here, and I'll be trying to make the video one by one, friends. So let's get started with the test here in terms of the displays, friends. And once the lockdown get over and most of the people are looking to buy either the Poco X2 or the Redmi Note 9 Pro or 9 Pro Max. So in this video I'll be mentioning both names because the 9 Pro and the 9 Pro Max as a same kind of display technology. So in this video you'll get a clear idea, friends, whether to buy the Max model or the Poco X2 model. So first thing is that if you're seriously into the gaming and as a future proof, then definitely you can stop watching the video here itself, because the Poco X2 is a clear winner because of having the 120Hz refresh rate, friends. So that is the biggest advantage in the Poco X2 phone. So definitely if you are a gamer, don't forget about the Redmi Note 9 Pro or 9 Pro Max. Just buy the Poco X2, friends. So 9 Pro Max is a 5000 mAh of battery, but still 500 mAh, little bit of more than the Poco X2, but you are getting 120Hz refresh rate, friends, which is very good because nowadays most of the games they do support a 90Hz and 120Hz as well in the future. So definitely as a future proof, if you're planning, the Poco X2 is the best. And 9 Pro Max has the same kind of display technology, friends, for IPS LCD panel and IPS LCD panel. So that doesn't make any sense to buy the 9 Pro Max instead of Poco X2 device. That is one of the biggest advantage of the Poco X2. And second most advantage is that in the game turbo of the Poco X2, you get the option to increase the visual qualities, friends. So where in the Redmi Note 9 Pro and 9 Pro Max you cannot do that at the moment. So maybe in the future update you can do. So what I'm going to say is that let me open one of the games, friends. So additional settings, let me try to open the PUBG game. So this is the interface, friends, how it looks. So same kind of interface which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So here you get the option to enhance visuals, as you can see, friends. So which will increase the colors, so which will look pretty good, close to Super AMOLED colors, friends. So that is the biggest advantage in the Poco X2. So let me even open the same security app here and open the game turbo, and let me explain you, friends, how it looks. So you can see game speed booster is here, and you can see, friends, the game turbo in the 9 Pro Max is completely different from the Poco X2 device, and you won't even get options of enhanced visuals. So let me go to settings and choose the additional settings. So you can find, friends, additional settings, and let me open the PUBG. So you can see, friends, you won't get the option to enhance visuals, as you can see. So which makes a lot of sense. Why I am saying is that here in the game turbo you can add the MX player or YouTube or any other application, friends, like this, and you can increase the visual qualities. So in this video I'll be trying to compare side by side, friends. So recently even I did the normal video comparison, but in this test I'll be increasing the colors and then I'll be comparing side by side the MX player while playing the video. And let's get started, friends. So as you can see, friends, I added the MX player. So not only MX Player, friends, you can even add the Hotstar or Amazon Prime or YouTube application or Netflix or any other application, friends, as a game turbo. The reason why I'm saying is that if you go to the MX Player, here you can increase the colors, friends, from the normal to moderate and strong. So let me put the extreme colors in the first time, and let me play the same video in both the phones so you can understand clearly how much it is going to impact. So definitely, friends, in terms of the display, the Poco X2 is a clear winner. So let me try to play the video and let's check. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the phones in the full brightness modes, as you can see clearly. And if you noticed here, you can see the mountains here, friends, clearly, where you cannot see in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So you'll get little bit of higher saturated levels and higher brightness friends, which I can definitely notice if I am watching here. So the first thing is the brightness levels are very good in the Poco X2 device, very high. So let me turn the studio lights and let you can understand. So overall the Poco X2 has a better and more brightness levels. So if you use this kind of settings, it will impact a lot friends. So if you observe close here, you can see the white ground as well, but here you cannot see friends in the 9 Pro Max. So this is what I'm talking about. So you can increase in this kind of colors and you can use this kind of settings and tricks in playing the PUBG game or any other night mode game. So where you can see clearly the background friends, so which will look, so this kind of trick you can use while playing the PUBG, the Poco X2. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 10 and let me show you. So let me put to the 10 brightness levels. So as you can see friends, when it's 10 brightness levels, you can clearly observe the Poco X2 has got more brightness at the moment. So you can see some trees and plants which is visible on the Poco X2 but not on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max friends. So let me decrease to 5%. So at 5% you can clearly see the Poco X2 has more visibility. So now friends, in this display test, if you ask me which phone to buy and your preference is the display, then definitely I would ask you to buy the Poco X2 friends, no doubt at all. So even 9 Pro Max or 9 Pro, both are not that great at the moment because they are lacking 120 Hz and 90 Hz display refresh rate. And another thing is that this kind of settings, maybe the Redmi in the future, if they add these settings friends from the game turbo, maybe that can be slightly advantage the 9 Pro Max. But still 120 Hz refresh rate is matters more for few most of the gamers, and even as a future proof it's good to have the 120 Hz refresh rate. So that's it for this video friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.